Before we get out of here, you told me to bring a book here or something like that.
Yeah.
So
So,
what's up with
so
that?
I asked Rory to bring a book. So let's make this clear. We're obviously not in the same building right now, right?
No, we're not.
And I don't think we're in the same city. I'm in Toronto. You're in.
I'm wherever right now.
All right, there you in the witness protection safe house somewhere.
I'm in a undisclosed location. I can't give out all
Parts
my coordinates
unknown.
because folks are like, "Are you here? Do you live here? What are you doing here?"
You're in a dark room. It looks like parts unknown there.
Hey, listen,
Anyway,
we're in the laboratory, you know?
there we go. So I asked Rory just to bring any book from his collection, and you've chosen a book. What book did I don't even know what the book is. What did you choose?
You want me to show you?
Yeah.
Gary Vaynerchuk, right there. I'm gonna show it in the camera.
Lovely. All
This
right.
book,
Have you
new
read
book
that
that
book?
just came out.
Okay.
I've been actually audiobook, to be
Okay.
honest.
Lovely.
But I
So
always buy books that I like. I always get the audiobook because I'm more audio because I'm always on the go. This
I
is
get you.
it's just there. You know what I mean? I always make
So
sure.
what I'm gonna get? There's no way I could have got you to think of that book, buy that book, or choose that book, right?
1000%.
No way, because I just asked you yesterday, just bring any one of your book. So what I'm going to get you to do in a moment is actually open the book now and just scan through some of the pages in front of you. And now I want you to put the book in front of the camera so I can see the words on some of the pages.
Okay. See, now I'm telling you all this. This ain't planned. Like I was not prepared for this, so I gotta like break open the book, show y'all what's going on.
Can you raise that book a little bit higher for me and bring it a bit closer? Because, yeah, can you bring it a little closer to the lens, a little bit closer? Lovely. So keep the book there. Rory, what I'm going to do is I'm going to call out some words I see on the page. At some point, I'll get you to turn pages as well. On one of the words that I see on the page, I want you to choose a word. One of the words I'm going to say, choose the word. Your only job is to remember the word you choose from what I read on the page. Does that make sense?
Makes sense.
All right. So I'm seeing operate. Okay. Important. Speaking. Raise the book up a little bit, Corey. Distance. Flip the page for me, please. Any way you want.
Now Luke's put me to work. My arms are getting tired, so this ain't planned. I'm just letting y'all know.
Working the gun. All right. Pull it back. It's a bit white at the moment. Raise it up a little bit. Bring it a bit. Yeah. Okay. I see at the bottom. Respectively. Disprove. Respiration. Personality. Choose one of those words. Close the book. Have you got your word?
I do.
Of one of the ones that I read, yeah?
Hmm.
Okay. No way. You chose a book from your collection. It could have been any book. You chose any page. You even turned the page. Multiple words in that. That's all that's brought us to the dance right now. See your word. I know you hear. You're more auditory, you said. So I want you to hear your word in your head. Hear the word saying over and over again. Now see some of the letters in the word in any order. There's a P. There's a P in your word, yes? I thought so. There's an E in your word.
Mm-hmm.
There's a... This is difficult. Rory. Oh, there's an R. There's an R in your word. Is that yes?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. That's why I was getting it confused earlier on. There's an S in your word.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not taking away from the show. This guy here, I told you, this is no script. This is we'll post the raw. Luke, keep going.
So there's an S. There's an S,
Yes, yes.
yeah? Oh, shield, circle. There's an O. There's an O in the word.
Yep.
There's a N. There's an N in the word.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm getting big, small, big, small. A. There's an A in the word.
Mm-hmm.
See, there's another. There's one more. There's one more thing that I'm seeing. I think I already know what it is. Luke L. There's an L in the word.
Mm-hmm.
Scream the word in your head, not out loud until I announce it.
Mm-hmm.
Turn up the volume in your head.
Mm-hmm.
Personality.
This guy is great. I am telling you. How? How do you like? Can you tell? Yo, listen, I'm coming in the scam. I'm coming in the camera right now. Like, how does he do it?
Magic.
How does he do it? Luke, I got to give you your flowers. Not because of what you've done in studio, here virtually, but you, from the time just having the handful of conversations, we do the wrestling thing, we're doing this podcast now, you are just great. And just keep going. Like, whatever God, the universe has put in front of you, just keep blazing that fire. Because I want to come to one of your shows. Not for you to work on me, because you've already done way too much already. I'm not trying to do that. But I just want to be in the back, chilling, just to be like, this guy. You're great, man. And I appreciate you. And it warms my heart that we have this camaraderie and we have this friendship. You know what I mean? Straight up.
You, man.
Keep up the
I
good
appreciate
health.
that.
Yeah.
I feel the same way too. And when I have a show, I would definitely invite you to a public show.